Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on charge. If you want to fix this problem, so here showing you fast wireless charging. So enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on again settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.